In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your first linking strategy map. First, you'll log into your Clemelopy workspace and navigate to Linking Strategy. If this is the first time you're viewing the Linking Strategy page, you'll be greeted with a tour. Feel free to take the tour or click Skip Tour. You can always restart the tour using the button over here. This is your Linking Strategy Map section of your Clemelopy workspace. It will show you how many runs you have left and give you the option to upgrade. Over on the right, you'll see directions on how to create your first linking strategy map. You'll also see pro tips listed below. In order to run a linking strategy map, you'll want to navigate to the web page that you want to create a linking strategy map for. In this example, I'll be showing you the glossary definition for digital ecosystem on the Clemelopy website. To start, I'm going to highlight and copy the URL and paste it in the page URL form. This is for your reference only. This information is helpful when you've run many linking strategy maps and you can't remember which page you've ran them on. Then you'll go back over to the page that you want to run the map on. You'll want to, if you're on a Mac, select Command A or Control A for a PC, and that will select everything on the page. If you have images on the page, don't worry. Those will automatically be parsed out by our system. Select Control C on a PC or Command C on a Mac, and then Command V or Control V on a PC to paste the information into the page content form. The linking strategy map requires a minimum of 300 characters. The more characters, the more thorough the map. It'll show you your character count just above in the upper right. After that, you'll select Generate My Linking Strategy. It will ask you to name your project. In this case, it's going to be Glossary Definition of Digital Ecosystem. Click Save and Generate. This usually takes between 30 and 60 seconds. When the linking strategy map has completed running, you'll notice underneath the page content form the ability to download the PDF, view the project, or create another strategy. Select Download PDF to download, or select View Project to open it in the project page. And that is how you run a linking strategy map.